welcome to So Infused. So today we're going to be doing a drink called Gravity. So what we're going to be doing is going to be a gin-based cocktail. We're going to need your mint, apples, lemons, and your ginger. Also, don't forget we're going to be using the juicer, so there's no shaking in here. So whenever you're ready, let's get to it.
Hey, good to have you back. Now grab yourself an old-fashioned glass and have filled that with some ice cubes. Add 50 milliliters of gin. And 15 milliliters of sugar syrup. It's a ratio of 1 to 1. In the juicer, I'll be adding a handful of mint, a thin slice of ginger, and also a whole grain apple. In case you don't have any juicer at home, you can use a blender by adding 3 to 4 ice cubes and blending all the ingredients together. Add 25 milliliters of lemon juice. Give it a nice stir and garnish with a nice thin slice of lemon.